Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good, and I hope you're having a wonderful Monday. It is April 26th, and I'm here with some stuff I picked up from Bima's Crafty Corner sale and an order. First thing I got was this planner set. I'm not going to use it, well, not going to use it in the sense of in my planner, but in my art journaling. It's got the days of the numbers and the months and different, you have the numbers like this. And then there's the months, and then there's more numbers. So I picked that up for that purpose. And then she found this little stamp for me because I had a little red truck, which was adventuring. And then I bought the decoupage paper. I opened it so I didn't have to do that on the camera. And you get two different decoupage. Really not as thin as I thought it was going to be. It kind of got smushed a little bit. I'm going to have to, I'll iron it. But I love the look of it. I would love that on a wall. This too is like wallpaper on a wall. I think it'd be so pretty. So you get two different ones. This one looks like that, and then that one. That's cool. I just would like think that'd be an awesome wallpaper. And then I bought the ribbon holder. You open it on the side, and it's got some ribbon in it that was in it, or she put it in it. But then you can move these back and forth. So the width of your ribbon, and it's by Craftmates, and I'm hoping I can find a few more of these because that'd be kind of cool. I'm trying to get organized better in my craft room, and when I saw this, I'm like, yep, I want that. So I grabbed it from her. Plus I got these few extra ribbon, so that was kind of cool. And look at, one of them's even my favorite color. And look at, you can, this is what's cool, is you put it down and you can just pull like so. That is so cool. Now I gotta pull it back in there. So then you can you imagine having all your ribbon like that, all organized in this, and just it'd be so awesome. Alrighty, so that, oh, she sent me Harry. And you're all like, what? No. See, here's Harry. Sent me these cards. They're kind of cool. So, and you're my Lucy. There we go. They're just little cat cards. Cute. So I got that, and that's it. That's all I got from Crafty Corner sale this time, which is surprising. So, then I have my Ozark order, and I'm going to tell you a story about my Ozark order. I ordered it on the 17th of March, and I had a stamp ordered in this too as well, and that's the whole reason I put the order in is because I wanted this one stamp. Well, then it came back, their stamp was they were out, and they refunded me that money. But I had other items, and then they went to one, they said warehouse one packaging. Well, it just sat there and sat there and sat there. Finally, I'm like, you know what? It's over a month. I contacted them. I heard back nothing. I called them. They didn't answer. I left a message. They didn't email me. Nothing. So I finally put a thing in on PayPal. They got back to me and said it was going to be shipped out on the 19th. Got nothing. I waited until last Thursday or Friday? Friday. And said, hey, you said this was going to be shipped out. And I'm one of these, you tell, especially in a business, if you're going to tell a person you're shipping it out on the 19th and you'll have the tracking number that very day, and you get nothing, and it's 4 days after that, I get a little testy. So I went back on Friday, back into PayPal, and said, hey, wait a minute, you said this was going to be shipped out to me on the 19th. I'd like to know what's going on with my order, and if you're not going to follow through on the order, please, I'd like my money back. I'd like it all. I'd like it back. So that was early Friday morning. By Friday afternoon, they refunded me my full amount of money, even minus the money that they took off for this, gave me back for the stamp. So I have no idea what's going on, what happened. But I got the full amount that I first purchased. And then I look Saturday, and it says I have a package coming. It's my items. But then I got an email. They still sent me my items, and they gave me my refund because it shouldn't took that long, is what the email said. So thank you, Ozark, for being, they stepped up their game a little bit, because for some reason this shouldn't have took that long to ship to me. So what I got is I got these 3 bags by Delusion. I like to put in my stencils in these. And I got the bigger one, the medium one, and the small one. Them. And it's just funny because I was like, oh boy, I forgot. I only ordered these because of one purpose. Well, due to the fact they were Delusion. But I have the other ones. I picked this up. They got the block. It's the diaries set from Delusion. You get 2 different sizes and 2 different fonts of the months. And then you get some little squares and some other things and check marks and then their numbers. I bought this just for the purpose that I have her other ones. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to pick them up. So I have this one to do. And then I have this one. And I thought, you know what, I do a lot of journaling and like that. And I thought, you know what, I want to get the months. So I picked that up. Just so I had it all together. I'm actually going to go in one of those bags together. So, and then they had the collage sheets, set 1 and set 2. And they were, I think, like $6. So I grabbed the one, the only set 1 was out of stock. So I grabbed set 2. So I got another set 2. And I use these a lot. So that works for me. So that's my stuff I got in today. I have stuff coming in from Sabrina the Mismatched Crafter. It's in St. Paul at Departed, so I probably get that tomorrow. And that's from that sale, that when she was on BMO sale. Also, I picked up from her. And plus, she's my Dollar Tree personal shopper. So I always send Sabrina money. Her Dollar Tree gets more stuff in than mine. So I send Sabrina some money, and she just goes shopping when she goes shopping for both of us. And then I just, when the box gets full, I pay the shipping and she mails it to me. So you'll see a lot of stuff. You're like, wait a minute, I didn't see that on the sale. It's because she does some shopping for me. She's a good friend like that. So I want to talk to y'all later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, be nice to each other, and bye for now.